So we have our Sidewinder here from Swin that we converted to an electric bicycle, and it's only been a month or so and we already had problems with this. So we're going to do the display here. So we're going to check out everything, check the wiring and everything, and see if we can figure out what is wrong with this thing. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have more videos for you on all these electrical systems on these electric bikes. Okay, we got a little problem with the bicycle here. The control panel here is not working. So when you push on the control panel, it shows 900. That's all it'll do. It won't let you turn the throttle on, do nothing. Nothing works. So what we did, we traced down the wires all the way down back here to the controller, and we've checked everything to make sure all the connections are good. And right here is the connection for the controller that goes to the controller from the SW900 screen on top. And we can't find nothing wrong with it. So the only thing we can figure is this is bad. So now we're going to hook up a new one and see what it does. So now before we take all this apart, we've got the new controller, or the new display. Got it in and got it plugged in right here. Instead of redoing everything, we just went ahead and plugged it in right here. And now we're just going to push the off on button here to see if it comes on. So let's see if it comes on. Hey, look at that. It comes on. The only problem is now it don't read the mileage and everything that we had on there. So I guess that don't really matter. And you got your pedal assist. It's working good. So, and you can see the battery's fully charged, so we knew that wasn't an issue. We'd already checked the battery. So the display was bad. We got the new display. Now we got to mount it back up here where it goes, and that should fix this bike. But keep tuned for the new video. I have a new video coming up soon where I'll order a tester that you can connect to all this wiring harness, and or check from the wiring harness to the hub motor and your throttle and everything else, and make sure everything's working properly. So hang out, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video, and I'll have another one for you soon. Thanks for watching. And there it is, up and working again.